We're back again. Yesterday I did a uranium recap, and normally I don't do them 2 days in a row unless something big happens. And I think today was one of those days where we have to do it 2 days in a row. Um, Uranium looks insanely good here, but let's look into that just 1 second. I also want to show you just quickly here the gold to silver ratio. And today was a big down day. This was the GDP news last week, and now we're just reversing. As I tweeted, getting below 78.4-ish means that we are going to, as you can see here, go way, way lower. And this ratio, meaning silver and gold, will go way higher. So exciting times for sure, but let's wait for the confirmation breakdown. Excuse me. Okay, and on to uranium. Quickly, look at this one here. Today, the URA. Let's go to weekly. Might be a bit easier to see for you guys. We have broken out deep retest though, and now we are consuming back continuation to the upside again, looking fantastic. Actually, I'll go to the daily. It's better. Fuck it. You can see here, big green candle, resuming up. Now we have the last pivot here, which is the breakout high at around 23, excuse me. Looks damn good. URNM, excuse me. Look at this, where we are in time. I've been pointing to these highs in a long time, but this candle in the pure play uranium ETF URNM, wow, tomorrow could be insane if we get the continuation to the upside. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. And this could be the day before we get the big breakout here. I mean, this is stunning to be said the least. Sprott Physical Uranium Trust today had a huge open and then reversed all the way down. I'm just looking to see if there are some gaps here. No, it's okay. Still up roughly 2%. And long term, we're going higher together with all the other uranium stocks, I would say. Still, we have the big resistance here at 18, roughly. As you can see, 18. There it is. And then, yeah, we want to get back above the golden double trend line there. But anyways, Sprott Physical Uranium Trust looking all right. Let me zoom out here and show you. Let me show you. There it is. This is Denison Mines. Fake out here, all the way back to the lower side, breakout again, retest, resumption, big day today for Denison, up 5%. Came all the way up to this pivot high here and retraced a bit, but still massive green candle breaking out of this smaller golden. You can see the breakout here. And again, you have the resistance that we need to get through right there. You can see it all the way across, right? Amazing for Denison Mines, looking good. Alaska didn't do anything today. Again, when you have such a big update, both for the uranium miners, ETFs, and you have a stock that's not performing, yeah, they might be lagging a bit, but they should perform, but still down 2% roughly. Still in the blue squeeze down here. Nothing much to say about Alaska. I can see for some reason the watermark is gone, excuse me. I think there has been an update to TradingView. We talked about this yesterday and the breakout here, and I said that we don't want to have the breakdown here, obviously. But yet again today, up 3%. It's absolutely amazing what Cameco can do. And I think Cameco tomorrow has earnings. So let's keep that in mind. Hopefully they are very good. But still, overall, insanely bullish Cameco. Mega uranium, still, we had the breakout, which we called last week or 2 weeks ago. Retest resumption here. We need to take out the pivot high at 0.225. It's right here still. There it is, roughly. But breakout, retest, resumption, and we are looking to go higher for mega uranium as well. The energy fuels, we noted this inverted head and shoulders. We have it right here, as you can see it with my amazing drawing there, and then neckline. But today's candle, in my view, would say that this will not come into play. But again, we have to wait for to take out the right shoulder, which is at 8.56 roughly. But today's big candle, massive volume, as you can see, 3x the volume, the average looking good. But again, wait for the breakout. It's right here at around 9. FUU, which I know I spoke about, was probably one of the best setups that there is. I added here to my position last week, and now we're just continuing. And this is insanely bullish. Let's look at let's zoom out here. As you can see, massive breakout, 3 impulse lows, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, retest, boom. Stunning chart, to be honest. There's absolutely nothing bearish to say about this chart, in my view. For FUU, looks amazing. And I don't know the market cap. It's 140 million. Okay, but still, stunning chart, to be honest. What's also stunning is UEC. Look at this here. We had the long-term resistance line here, grinding, dip below. And now we took out this high here at 3.45 with a big candle. Volume, I would say 2x the average. That's amazing. That's really, really, really good to see. And I expect that we will go all the way up to this one here, the golden we have across there. You can see it at around 4. And then there'll be some resistance. But still, this, to me, is the start of something major. Laramid, look at this bad boy right there. I'm just trying to find the best. There it is, the view for you guys. The last Friday and this Monday here today, boom, looking absolutely stunning. Big breakout. I mean, what's not to like here? Looks absolutely amazing. Have already taken out this high here. The candle is closing at the top. Huge volume. It's a buy all the way across. EU Encore. We drew this amazing line here like some weeks ago upon the breakout when we started to retrace. And as for now, it's following that amazing drawing to the tick. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Breakout, retest, resumption again. Just wanted to show you. You can see the 3 impulse lower lows right there into the complete retest. Actually, we have 2 retests, but still. And now we're curling higher again in this right there. The big level for Encore is 3.8. As you can see, the 3.8 up here, coming all the way across from there. Big inverted head and shoulders, massive neckline at the 3.8. And if we break that on, the target should be somewhere up here at around 6 or 5.5. I can't remember exactly, but still looking good. Again, base load find, also a stock that is on the verge of something major. 3 impulse lows, as you know. I think we gapped up into the golden trend line, as you can see, and then pulled back again. So this one here is still being respected all the way. But as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches. And if we have the momentum tomorrow regarding the earnings for Cameco, I also think Denison Mines and some other, I think Encore Energy as well, or is it UUUU that has earnings Wednesday? But still, if we have the follow through in the momentum as we see right now in the uranium space, this one will break up to the upside. No doubt about it. Look at this. This is the URNM divided by the spot price for, the spot price for uranium. The golden trend line is there. This is the head and shoulders that we're looking at, the inverted head and shoulders, which we are looking at big day today. And as you can see, we want to get up above here and break out to the upside. And that's when we continue higher. Quickly, URA divided by XLE. As you know, the long-term golden trend on here, retest down, and then we drew this bad boy. I don't know when we did it, but I think we did it upon the break here. I can't remember exactly. Still following it quite nicely. And if we can break out to the upside, then the URA will start to outperform the XLE, which is the overall energy sector, which also looks quite well. So that's very good for uranium miners against overall energy stocks. And also, this is actually against the SPX, so the overall equity market SPX, SP500. Just want to show you the golden support all the way across here into this blue flag. And now we are breaking out right there, meaning that we have high probabilities upon this breakout that money will start to flow from the SP500 and so on into energy. Big breakout here in this ratio, absolutely massive. So let's get it, keep going higher. Looks good. This is the XLE to URNM. So we want this ratio to go down because we want to URNM to outperform. Again, this white one here we drew some time ago, and I think we're about to roll over now. Looking good. Still following the track that I made here, more or less. Of course, we didn't get that high, but still, the idea was on point. And if we get some really big gains in URNM right now, maybe tomorrow, if we get the big breakout, then this will go down quite heavily, quite big. Two stocks that has been hammered for the past week or two is obviously Global Atomic and GoviX. I own both. But still, let's look at Global Atomic. We had a call that, well, we need to zoom in quite long here actually, that this was a good buy point. I still think it is or was. Last Friday, we have a big retrace and we went all the way down to 1.6 and we retraced a bit. Big volume coming in. So yeah, what I'm noticing is that we have a gap down here at 1.3. Let's see if that gets close. I don't know. Global, this GoviX still squeezing in this big squeeze. I want to go to the weekly just to show you. Big squeeze. And yeah, it's actually up 4%. I think it's down big time into the open. Yeah, it was actually down 5% or 10% at the open. So actually quite a good day for GoviX. Big volume as well, so that's quite nice. Okay, big day for uranium. We will follow the uranium market tomorrow, especially the week ahead. Hopefully, this will be the week. As you can see, URNM. Where are we? Look at this one here. This is the weekly chart, URNM. Ooh, we're getting close. We're getting very close, but we cannot celebrate until we get the confirmation. Cheers, guys.